Hey, what's going on? This is Johnny here. And have you been thinking about joining the LegalShield business? You're probably introduced to this company by a family member or a friend, right? But before you go and spend any money, it is always a good idea to do a little bit of homework first, right? Do your due diligence. And so this LegalShield review should provide you with all the answers that you're looking for, especially if you're looking into the LegalShield opportunity to make some extra money. But before we actually dive into this review, I do want to make it very clear that I am not actually affiliated with LegalShield in any way, nor have I ever been in the past, right? Many LegalShield reviews are really written by people who are actually involved in the company, right? They're active in the company, and so they're trying to sell you their services, or they're trying to get you involved in the business opportunity. And so this video is going to do neither of those two things, right? I want to simply just offer some unbiased information that I've really collected during my research of the network marketing profession. So most other LegalShield review videos are not going to tell you about the cons of the business opportunity, right? So what I want to do in this review video is I'm going to explain the biggest setback that I see in this business and what you can do to succeed in spite of that. So what is LegalShield? Well, LegalShield is an American-based company that sells legal services using a marketing method known as network marketing or multi-level marketing. So they were founded in 1972 and have since then seen a whole lot of growth, right? They've become a household name, and this is really pretty rare for any type of law firm, right? So formerly known as Prepaid Legal, LegalShield now has over 6,900 independent provider attorneys across North America. Additionally, their services can also be purchased through various employee benefits packages across the US and Canada. So most people in life will at some point need legal assistance, right? So this is one of the most overlooked areas of life, and many people never see these types of problems happening, right? So many times people are forced to choose between hiring an expensive lawyer, which can be $300 or more per hour, or paying their mortgage, right, to keep from losing their home. So inevitably, most people are going to choose to keep their home, in which case they can be faced with much more expensive problems when they run into law trouble that they didn't deserve, right? So there are a number of fields that the LegalShield's attorneys specialize in, including trial defense, personal document review, will preparation, power of attorney, traffic violations, car accidents, adoption, separation, and divorce representation, and identity theft plans. But this particular LegalShield review video is going to be aimed more to provide information about the home business opportunity, right? And so if you're looking for more information about the various services offered by this company, then you can visit the company website at www.legalshield.com. So is LegalShield legit? Is this a scam, or is it a legitimate company? Unfortunately, you're going to easily be able to find many people online talking about, a LegalShield scam or pyramid scheme. But the fact is that you're going to find these types of allegations about absolutely any network marketing company on the planet, right? This profession is a very easy target, and I'm going to explain to you why. So is LegalShield legit? Absolutely. I mean, do you honestly believe that some type of shady or illegal organization would be able to grow a network of nearly 7,000 people? Not to mention the over 650 skilled legal advisors that are employed by LegalShield. So let's talk about why the LegalShield pyramid scheme or scam rumors even exist in the first place. See, in the past, there have been several illegal companies masquerading as legitimate network marketing businesses when they were in fact pyramid schemes. So what's the actual difference between a pyramid scheme and a real MLM? So when you join a pyramid scheme, you're going to be required to pay for a spot in a pyramid-shaped organization, right? And that's all you're going to receive for your money. Then you're going to be required to recruit other people into that organization. So there's no product or service sold that offers any type of value to an end consumer. The only thing that exchanges hands is money. So this is both very illegal and unsustainable. And this type of business model is really doomed to collapse because there's no product sold, right? It's not sustainable. But a legitimate network marketing business is not that different from any type of traditional company. There are real products and services sold to end consumers who are going to use those products over and over again for years to come, right? The only difference lies in the marketing methods used. So instead of paying millions of dollars to advertising agencies, they choose instead to compensate independent providers to market their products. So this is a very efficient way to build a business, and it provides an excellent opportunity for the average citizen to build a large stream of residual cash flow from the comfort of their own homes. So what good would this LegalShield review be if I didn't talk about the compensation plan? I mean, if you're going to start a business, you have to know how you're going to get paid, right? So the LegalShield compensation plan is pretty lucrative, but in order to fully understand how it works, this would end up being a very long video. And so I left a link down below this video to the compensation plan video where you can learn exactly how this compensation plan works. So let's talk about how to succeed with the LegalShield opportunity. So even though the LegalShield compensation plan is very lucrative and the potential is there to make a very good living, many people are never going to succeed with the business. See, if you want to make life-changing income with the LegalShield opportunity, it's going to be necessary to recruit a lot of other people into the business, right? So LegalShield teaches you to do this by prospecting your friends and family. And this is a great place to start, but unfortunately, you're going to find that your contacts might not share your enthusiasm, right? And so at that point, it's going to be time to turn to the internet and start marketing your business like a true professional. The good news is that if you can find the right system to plug into, you don't need any technical skills or marketing knowledge to pull this thing off, right? Simply just basically plug in your business, generate leads, and make money. So really an online business comes down to 3 simple steps. The first step is you have to get leads. So building an email subscriber list is going to be the most important skill to master as an online business owner. The bigger your list gets, the more money you're going to make. The second step is to build trust with that list. So you don't want to just send out sales messages to that list over and over again, right? Nobody wants to open emails that consist of sales messages. You have to provide value, and you want to brand you as a trusted advisor. And the third step is to make money, right? After your list grows to really like and trust you, it's going to become very, very easy to make sales. Those people are going to start to trust your opinion, and so they're going to buy exactly what you recommend, and then you get paid. So you might be thinking that you have no idea where to start, but like I mentioned, if you're plugged into the right systems with adequate tools and training, then the learning curve is actually pretty small. So what I want to encourage you to do is to click the link or the button down below this video, and that's going to take you to a free bootcamp training course that I created for you to share with you exactly what I do in my business. So you're going to discover step by step exactly what I do on a daily basis to build my business using nothing but my home computer. And I'm going to share with you how you can very easily duplicate my results. So I hope that this LegalShield review really helped to give you some clarity, right? So you should now know whether or not this is an opportunity that's a good fit for you. You can rest assured that this is a legitimate business, right? This is a good company with awesome leadership, and they have proven that they can stand the test of time. So before you get started, I really want to encourage you to click the link down below this video to get access to that bootcamp training. So that way you're going to know exactly what you're getting into and you can get started on the right foot. So if you do have any more questions about the LegalShield opportunity, then feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. So with that being said, I hope you got value and I hope to see you inside the bootcamp training.